In the previous two videos, we've added multiple animations to several objects on this slide. And we've seen that animations are triggered by pressing the spacebar, just like you do to advance from slide to slide in your presentation. But there will be times when you'll want certain animations to be triggered automatically, especially if you have a series of animations applied within a slide. For example, earlier, we added a grow animation and a teeter animation to this photo. So if I go into slideshow mode, pressing the spacebar once triggers the grow animation, and then I have to press the spacebar again to trigger the teeter animation. But I prefer to have the teeter animation happen on its own immediately after the grow effect, so it seems like one continuous animation. To do this, I'm going to click the 2 to select the second animation, which is the teeter effect, and I know that because teeter is currently selected here in the animations pane. Now to the right here, I'll find this menu that currently says on click. This is the default trigger action for animations. You can also click your mouse to advance through your presentation. But from here, you can also choose with previous or after previous. In this case, I want after previous. Notice that changes the animation number to just show the 1, but with another animation behind it. And this animation down here is now number 2. Let's go back into slideshow mode and check this out. So now I just need to press the spacebar once and we'll see both animations occur, one after the other. Like so. And when I press the spacebar again, we see the next animation. So that's the after previous trigger option. Now, as you probably figured out, the with previous trigger option allows you to have multiple animations occur simultaneously. For example, let's add another animation to this group down here by selecting it and then clicking Add Animation. And under Exit, let's choose the Fade effect. And again, we see a preview. Now that's happening pretty quickly. So with that selected, I'm going to change its duration to 1.75 seconds. While we're up here, I'm also going to change its start trigger to with previous. So this means that while the group is moving off screen, it's also going to simultaneously fade out. Let's check it out. So with the first press of the spacebar, we see the grow and teeter animations in sequence, one after the other. And when I press the spacebar again, we'll see the group fade and move simultaneously. Pretty cool, right? All right, so that's how to control what triggers animations to occur on your slides in PowerPoint.